It is a significant victory for press freedom and collective action. The Radhapur Police on Friday arrested the prime accused in a recent assault on a tribal journalist. The arrest of Swadesh Debbarma came just 3 hours after members of the media fraternity launched an intense sit-in protest at the police station gates demanding immediate justice. Following a brutal attack on journalist Swadesh Debbarma on February 7, local police failed to fulfill a 24-hour arrest promised for nearly a week. Frustrated by this inaction, a massive delegation of journalists from Agartala and Khorang staged a sit-in protest at the Radhapur Police station on Friday. Led by Surjit Paul and Ranjit Debbarma, the fraternity issued a stern ultimatum: immediate arrest or a total statewide media blackout. The pressure worked. Within 3 hours, police raided Bahuram Sadarpara and apprehended the accused Swadesh Debbarma.
Asami mamka tini manjaka sung 7 tarik na je complaint mamane boran sung continuous rate khai tango ange tini lastly or of devotation ro bhaja bon sekang ang pathok jaga no bisan no naigla dini ke bon no ro rate khai le anga tabu kumunung iku pargana manjaka ro into ta res ke bon
khorok busung
masan main asami masan te masa to bon logo to mon sibo to bon buya sar khai bo masan main asami masan Swadesh Debbarma
kami roke dini
kami kena mana dino bom dulu bos awta
dini bukan
bom acha suyang sairo
ini umur busur na
umur 32 33 nganta
bom hai roke roke baza
case to amne borok ro jaga kisa asok laifro boyan thangpro ringi bujagi sawa actually sing mission family pore amne sine legend sine amne ko kata kating le kanata nge kisa sal dong hangga boni bokrok se phatika nge treatment no khaira kha bon bore je proceeding sing espalo sing na khanga bon arrest kira
sar bono bo jaga ne khote tini ko khaite
bono iku parganda jeni edison kumulong parganda exam going to
While the arrest has been welcomed, the Khorang Press Club has demanded a time-bound investigation and exemplary punishment to deter future attacks on reporters. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.